Hello students, now we continuing the next points of sets and relations, that is definitions of relation, domain, codomain and range of a relation. Number first, relation. Let A is set, suppose A equal to A, B, C, D elements and set B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Be two sets. Here A and B be two sets. Then set A contains 4 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 elements, and set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Set A contains 4 elements and set B contains 6 elements. Hence the Cartesian product of set A cross B contains 4 multiplied by 6. We get 24 elements. Consider the set R of ordered pairs given by, suppose R is ordered pairs given, 3 ordered pairs here, A, 3, B, 4 and D, 6. This set R contains 3 ordered pairs, here 3 ordered pairs from A cross B. 3 ordered pairs from A cross B. It is the relation. Relation definition. If A and B are any two sets, that is non-empty sets, A and B are any two non-empty sets, and relation R is subset or equal to A cross B. When we take two sets, that is non-empty sets, and its relation is a subset or equal to that set's cross, that is A cross B, then that relation is called relation from the set A to the set B. Relation from set A to the set B. If A, B ordered pair, that ordered pair belongs to R relation, then we say that small a is related to set B. Small a element is related to B. AB belongs to R, then we say that small a is related to the small b. A element is related to small b element by the relation R. Its relation is denoted by R, and we write it as ARB. Relation is write ARB. A is related to the set B, the relation R. A element is related to B to the relation R. Thus, AB belongs to R and ARB have the same, both have same meaning. AB belongs to R and ARB have the same meaning, that is A is related to B by the relation R. Then next point, that is image. In above relation of A and B elements, that is ARB, B is second element that is B is called image of A, is called first element image. Second element is called first element image. B is called image of A under its relation R. And pre-image, in above relation ARB, A is called, first element is called the pre-image of second element, that is A is called the pre-image of B under relation R. It is called the pre-image. An example: A elements A, B, C, D and set B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Suppose its relation given, that is relation elements 3 pairs ordered pairs, that is A, 3, B, 4 and D, 6. Arrow diagram for this relation R is given below. Suppose set A, that is given elements A, B, C, D, and set B we draw, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements of set B. Its relation A to the set B, that is ordered pair relation denotes, that is A3, relation of A element to 3, A to 3. then B4 and D6. If R is related from set A to the set B, then its domain, if above arrow diagram, R is related to, that is R is relation here, related to set A to the set B. R is related to set A to the set B, then its domain, the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs. The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs which belong to R relation is called the domain of the relation R. The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs which belong to R is called the domain of the relation R. In above example, relation all the first elements related to the set B, that is A, B and C. Relation denote A, B and D. A, B and D elements. That's reason its domain is relation R, domain A, B, D. Then range, the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs. Range is the set of all second elements. Its second elements of the ordered pairs belong to R is called the range of the relation R. And in above example, range of R, that is it's related to 3, 4 and 6 elements. Its relation is 3, 4 and 6 elements. That's reason range of the above example, that is R is equal to 3, 4, 6. Domain is the subset of A. Domain is subset of set A and range is the subset of set B. Then codomain. If R is relation from set A to the set B, then set B is called, at that time set B is called the codomain of relation R. Note that the total numbers of relations that can be defined from a set A to the set B is the number of possible subsets. Relation denotes is the number of possible subsets of its cross multiplication, that is A cross B. If number of elements of set A is equal to M1, if you take n of A is equal to M1, and number of elements of set B is equal to M2, that is n of B is equal to M2, then number of elements of A cross B is equal to M1 into M2. And the total number of relations is 2 raised to M1 into M2. Total number of relation is 2 raised to M1 into M2. Then next point is binary relation on a set. If A is non-empty set, then every subset of A cross A itself cross multiplication, then every subset of A cross A is defined as the binary relation on set A. Let suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 elements and its relation, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 2. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. That is its relation. Then when we take its A cross A is equal to itself 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. It's cross, we get values. We observe relation and A cross A. At that time R is subset of A cross A. Relation R is a subset of A cross A. All the elements of relation that belongs to the A cross A. Therefore R is subset of A cross A. Therefore R is a binary relation on A. Notes: If you take phi is subset or equal to A cross A. Phi is subset or equal to A cross A. Phi is relation on A. It is called empty or void relation on set A. Empty relation or void relation on a set A. Number second, A cross A is subset or equal to A cross A. Then A cross A is relation of set A. It is called universal relation on set A. It is called its universal relation. All the relations A cross A is related the universal relation on set A. Then identity relation. Next point is, let A be the non-empty set. Then relation R is A comma A such that A belongs to capital A is called an identity relation. If A is 1 to 4 elements, then the relation itself 1 1 2 2 4 4. All elements itself 1 1 2 2 4 4 is an identity relation on A. It is an identity relation on above set A. Okay, we will stop here.